Oh, yo, was that Hitoshi Shinso? Purple hair guy?
I don't know.
Her
Battle Festival or whatever the fuck it was called. And second Tomoe allows the user to essentially keep up with them, so you'd be able to copy their movements and everything. Even their chakra network, you'd be able to see how internally everything moved too.
He gets to own the film after 25 years.
We're not done. Greta Gerwig of Barbie fame, she said she'd do Chronicles of Narnia for Netflix, but only if Netflix agreed to put it in theaters.
And they caved because they want the director to be happy.
And finally, Universal Studios, they give Christopher Nolan near total autonomy in exchange for leaving Warner Brothers.
Chris, you want to build a real 35-foot tall?
Better not waste my shit. I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit.